Yogi Clan, good morning and welcome to Yogi's Cycle Service. So, as I've said in a previous video I did about what is Disciple Christian Motorcycle Club, as you know, I am part of a Christian motorcycle club. And being part of a Christian motorcycle club, you get a lot of flack sometimes. Honestly, where does that flack come from? What do you think? Who do you think is the biggest obstacle to a Christian motorcycle club? You think it's a one percenter, a dominant club, a support club, a firefighter club, a Marine Corps club, a motorcycle ministry? What is it? What is the biggest opposition to us doing what we do? Let's talk about that here in a moment. If you are new to Yogi Cycle Service, I appreciate you stopping by and checking out this channel. I hope you like what you see. If you do like what you see and you like the content of this video, surf out some of my other videos, check it out, give them a thumbs up, and mash on that subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, I thank you for stopping by, and I hope you take a few minutes to listen to this video. So what is the biggest opposition to a Christian motorcycle club? No, it's not getting the right to fly, although that is a challenge. That takes work, that takes effort. It is actually, oddly enough, other Christian clubs or other motorcycle ministry. I know that sounds kind of contrary to popular belief, but why is that? Why are other Christian clubs our biggest obstacles? Well, really, I think it boils down to pride. I mean, why do you see churches split? Pride. Hey, this is my area. This is my territory. These are my friendships. There's no more room for any other Christians other than me. I mean, aren't we all here for the same purpose? To bring Christ to the motorcycle community. That's our purpose. Why would somebody from another team trying to accomplish the same goal try to stop that? That's one thing I've never understood. Why can't the Christian motorcycle ministries and the Christian clubs work together in unity? Because we're all, at the end of the day, after the same goal. It just doesn't make sense to me. Prideful people wanting to think that they control territory. And it's frustrating. Now, here where I live, we don't have those problems. We have great relationships with the other motorcycle ministries, the other motorcycle clubs. We do a homeless feeding with the health fighters about every quarter. We do unity rides around here. I mean, we don't have those problems in this area, and I'm thankful for that. But I know that other parts of the country, other parts of the world, our club hits roadblocks, and those roadblocks from being able to get the right to fly or to be able to do the mission statement of bringing Christ to the 1% world, the 1% community, is stopped because of pride from other Christian clubs. And this has bothered me for 7 years now. About 3-4 years ago, I'm like, I would really like to do something to unite the Christian clubs and the Christian motorcycle ministries in the state that I live in. So I had come up with this harebrained idea of starting something up like a COC, but calling it CPU, Christian Patches United. That way it unites the patches that are motorcycle clubs, it unites the patches that are motorcycle ministries, it brings us all together onto one platform. And that idea, I took it to some people and had the buy-in from some folks, but other folks were like, no, that's what the COC's for. But the problem I see with the COC is it does not seem to serve the entire state. Although they would like it to serve the entire state, there are different teams in our state, and the COC unfortunately does not serve the entire state. I wanted something that will bring the entire state together. So I had this vision of CPU, Christian Patches United. Pull some of the people from Virginia, pull some of the people up from South Carolina. They do have a group that is out of South Carolina, I believe, that they have Christian unity events. There seems like there needs to be a bigger movement. So I wanted to really push a bigger movement of uniting the Christian clubs, uniting the Christian patches together, because we're all here for the same thing, to get everybody to a heavenly place at some point in time. I just don't understand why Christian clubs and Christian patches just can't get along. That just surprises me and shocks me. So I guess, the making of this video is kind of a plea to unite as many Christian clubs and as many Christian motorcycle ministries as we possibly can. So if this is something that you live in my general neck of the woods, the Southeast, that interests you, let's get something going. Let's bring all the Christian clubs, let's bring all of our brothers together. Because truly, we may not be wearing the same patch. So therefore, we may not be brothers according to our colors, but we are brothers according to the man upstairs, right? So if that's the case, let's start bringing everyone together and start rallying the troops of getting behind one common flag. Because if you believe like I do, America really needs unity at this point. We are a very divided nation. If we can start unity in the motorcycle clubs and the churches can start some unity together, which I don't ever see happening. But if we can set the example, then let us set the bar. Let us make that happen. So I thank you for joining. Don't let your pride take over, because that is the biggest downfall. That is what is stopping Christians from working together. That is not the example that we're supposed to be setting. We're not supposed to be backbiting each other. We're not supposed to be stopping each other. Because if you're stopping a man from doing his ministry, how is that going to limit your own ministry? Just saying. So thank you, Yogi Clan, for stopping by and listening to my thoughts. Y'all have an awesome day. Love you guys. Thank you for the support, and I'll catch you on the next video. All right, y'all. Peace.